Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through a high impact CRO audit for an e-commerce store that already does exceptionally well in terms of its conversion rate. So today's store is called Wipertech. They are an e-commerce store that sells replaceable windscreen wipers for your vehicle, any type of vehicle. And in this example, these guys already have a conversion rate that's well above the average, which is typically 1 to 2% for a typical e-commerce store. These guys are doing far better than that. So we're going to look at even in that case, are there any more opportunities that can be had? And of course there are. So that's what this video is all about. So my name's Jonathan Gorham, and I run a digital marketing agency called Engine Scout that specializes in e-commerce websites. So this is their homepage at the moment. And the first thing that struck me out when I was looking at this and looking for some high impact conversion opportunities was right away on their homepage, I don't see any pictures of the actual product they sell. So as a first time visitor to the store, potential new customer, I think it's really powerful to show the product itself right away. So there is this stock image here, which is looks like a stock of just a generic windscreen wiper. I'm not sure if that's the product. It would just be nice to remove any sort of guesswork, so I don't have to sort of investigate. I can see, almost instantly. What's happened there? Go back. Yeah, I can just see almost instantly that that's the product. So they do have some nice images of the product, but they're not on the home page. So for example, this is a great photo, or a great image here of the product itself. I would 100% be moving this onto the home page as well. A nice little video showing how easy it is to install it and simple it is. Yeah, again, because the homepage itself is getting so much traffic, it's one of the most visited pages, obviously. Just showing the product straight away, just eliminating any guesswork. But if we look at this website as well, why is it converting so highly? I think that's important to touch on in this video as well. If someone's searching for wiper blades online, if you look at a lot of the competitors, you just sort of see these different products. But as someone who, we all have different vehicles, different cars, which wiper blade do I choose? What's the right size for my vehicle? There's a lot of guesswork, quite a lot of confusion. Yeah, I could probably go in store or try to figure it out, but it's just a bit messy. I could default to the car's manufacturer and try to find the right blade. But it's not really the simplest, easiest process. Again, another competitor, they're just sort of showing the blades. And I think that's where Wipertech really stand out, because whatever your vehicle is, you can just enter it in here with this really nice search tool that they've put together, even by the year, the vehicle's year, and you just say, find wipers for my car. It's super simple, super easy. Bang, there it is, the perfect wiper for my vehicle. They even have all the nice images of the exact car, which just confirms again, great, this is the right car. A fantastic product page. Again, more videos showing how it's installed. So, it's very smooth, very fluid page, straight to the cart. The cart itself, is exceptional. They've got all the reviews, constantly just reaffirming people. And again, it's seamless again when you go to the checkout itself. Free shipping is highlighted. So it's an exceptionally well put together e-commerce store. And that's why it is getting, these conversions that are above average. They've got all these trust signals, reviews throughout the entire e-commerce flow across the whole store. So that's super powerful. But yeah, back to the improvements. So, getting the product images and photos up on the website, videos would be powerful. And another thing that I really noticed was just tightening up the copy, rearranging some of the copy itself as well. So they've got for example, factory grade quality delivered to your doorstep. I think all windscreen wipers are made in a factory. So as a consumer, that doesn't excite me that much. I think this could be tightened up or improved with something a bit more convincing to really show why Wipertech, offer the best windscreen wipers. Perhaps even a side-by-side comparison of a regular blade versus Wipertech. Could say durable, perfect streak-free wipe every time versus, short-lived, streaky finish and things like that. So I think, a comparison between Wipertech and a standard sort of windscreen wiper would be much more powerful. And just here, find the right wipers even for rare cars. And then they've repeated that same sentence down here. So, this is just we could take advantage of this and add some more compelling copy. They already have some really good copy across their site. So if we just have a look, like even on their About Us page, they have some really good copy in here. You know, these nice little icons, straightforward solution, premium natural rubber design, an unbelievably easy 5-minute fix. I would straight away put that on the home page instead of, you know, no special skills required, just 5-minute easy installation or something like that. So it's very clear what it does. They have some more copy as well that's sort of buried across into their website. You know, perfectly fitting wiper blades every time, no confusion, no mistakes. I mean, that's a powerful sentence. I would definitely get that on the home page as well, perhaps replace the duplicate copy that they've got there. So yeah, and looking at it further, I also noticed in terms of improvements as well. So they have some blog posts that are getting some traffic. And this is also an opportunity to, you know, just before people bounce off this page, you know, deciding which wipers are best, just to add a call to action right above the fold here, you know, find my perfect wiper blades for my vehicle or something like that, a button. They do have a call to action here down the bottom, which is nice, which is good that they do that, but also adding a second one, you know, up here above the fold or a nice little box, that would definitely be powerful. And I'm just checking if there's anything else. Yeah, apart from that, I mean, this store is already really well put together. They have a fantastic site, so they're the main things that I would focus on. I think that could give them even further improvement to the site itself. And yeah, so I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, let me know and talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.